Kia ora tātou, it's the Māori Taro planter again with an update on our glasshouse operations. You remember in the previous video we took a disused table, removed the tabletop, wrapped it in shrink wrap and chucked it over 4 taro plants. So here's how they've been doing. As you'll see in the next slides coming up, I'm lifting off the glass house and bada boom, the plants have grown quite a lot. We've had this easy, lovely, beautiful progress in just 18 short days, but we haven't had the same effect in the second greenhouse that we built with the other 3 taro plants. So I thought if we shift the position of the greenhouse and then we put the plants there, we may enjoy the same benefits. So here I am jostling, wiggling, pushing, sliding the plants into position, and we ended up with this configuration, but I wasn't 100% happy with it, so I thought we'd switch it around again. I kind of get like that when I'm in the garden. So what you'll see there, the walls have been rotated so that the sun can shine directly onto the plants. I'm thinking the different design of the second greenhouse and its position is the reason that we didn't do so good. But here's the evidence. Here's me sitting next to one of the plants. I tried to fit all 4 of them into the photo, but I couldn't, and then we put that photo in Canva. Thanks to my wife for helping us out. Kia ora tātou.